Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw a Christmas elf. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. And here's its Christmas elf's face, and now I'm drawing its ears. Big long ears. Okay, let's draw his eyes. Oh wow! Here's some hair and eyebrows. A tiny nose and smiley mouth. Okay, let's draw his hat. It's a bell. Wow! Let's draw his body. It is his belt. And here's I'm drawing his hands. Beautiful. Let's draw his legs. Elf wears a large shoe. So I'm drawing a big shoe. Whoa. Perfect. My drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm starting with his hat and I'm using green. I'm coloring his dress with green. Wow! I'm using black for coloring his ears and eyebrows. I'm also filling his belt with black. Now I'm using red. elf is looking amazing with red shoes. I'm coloring the left portion of his belt with yellow. And I'm coloring his bell with yellow. This is pale orange for his face. This is how you can draw a Christmas elf within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.